Hi, and welcome to the Curtain and Blind Company. In this short video, you'll learn how to correctly install new smart privacy Venetian blinds. Your blinds will arrive ready to go, so it's a good idea to first check you have all the parts by identifying them on the instruction sheet provided. Installations can vary slightly depending on your order, so be sure to follow the instruction sheet carefully, and if you have any questions or concerns, please get in touch with our friendly support staff. Firstly, evenly space the brackets along the window and use a pencil to mark their position. Then drill the screws to fasten. In most scenarios, the screws provided will be suitable to mount the brackets. However, if you need to fix the blind into a window lintel or into masonry, you may need to source more appropriate screws and wall plugs. Once you've attached the brackets, lift the track at the top of your blinds into position. The front edge of the track will fit into the hooks at the front of the bracket, and you simply tilt it upwards to snap into position. Remember, all blinds need to be fitted with a child safety device, so please read the requirements on the instruction sheet. And that's it. New smart privacy timber Venetian blinds installed in no time at all. It really is that easy at the Curtain and Blind Company.